Morning everyone, you join me at the start of a new week. We've had a really good tidy up and shuffle around of all the cars and tidied up the prep bay. We're working through all the bays actually today, just giving everything a proper clear out. It's been the longest time since everything's looked quite this clear. We just needed a bit of a refresh after everything that's gone on in these past few weeks. We needed a bit of a refresh on things, get things back into some sort of working order, shuffle some cars around, move some things around. Get ourselves into a situation where we can move forwards with a few projects, one of which is this, as you can see on the floor here. So these are all the component parts, the shells coming to us at a later date. It's actually a Hyundai Coupe F2 Rally car, one of 3 in the world, and we're hoping that this particular car, or it will be a car, will be at display this year at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. So obviously that's coming up on us quite soon. It's quite a big deal for us, of course, as well, to have a car on display there. It's a little bit up in the air at the moment, depending on, there's some negotiations between Hyundai Korea and Goodwood. Obviously Goodwood is not just the kind of place you can rock up to, no matter how much you pay them. There seems to be a bit of miscommunication going on with that side of things at the moment, but we're hoping that it's going to be there. So we're going to push on as if it will be. Like I said, we've shuffled some cars around as well in the other prep bays. I'm not even sure what I've shown on the camera and what I haven't in the past, but we've got several things on the go at once here. So we'll keep you up to date with that as the week goes on. But for now, we've just brought these in to have a look and see what we're up against. We'll make a start on this now, and we're going to continue some of the work on some of the other cars that we've already got in. So yeah, let's see how we go. Just a brief update for you then. We've started the repair work on the bonnet, doing the doors now. We've done quite a lot of fiberglass work and everything with the bumpers. So we had a lot of stress cracks in this gel coat. It was essentially all stress cracks. They weren't the worst, but the problem with stress cracks in gel coat and fiberglass is if you don't treat them at this stage, they really show through the paintwork afterwards. So you've got to grind it back to the fiberglass. And in this case we've re-glassed it, so obviously got to sand all that back down. Same on the front and rear bumpers. Just little fiberglass bits and pieces that we've had to do repair work wise. M3 that's been parked over there for a little while. Wings are off this one now, and it's having 2 brand new Bmw wings on there as well, so we'll hopefully get those painted today back on the car. And then continue with all the prep work for this one at the moment. All right, so a few days later, Shell's with us now. Completely new plan for this one now. This is the tarmac car. So originally this was going to be a display on next to the brand new i20 and the gravel car T8 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed this year. Deadline's getting really, really tight and everything now, so it's not been pushed through for that now. And the new plan actually for this one is almost better in a way. It's going off to Hyundai Korea, to their headquarters, I believe. I think they've got a bit of a museum type thing there. It's also going to be used as an exhibition vehicle. Obviously it will have a fully running engine and everything, so it's going to take some of the VIPs out from time to time. But it's going to have its permanent home now in Hyundai headquarters in Korea. So yeah, in some ways it's almost a bit more special than Goodwood, because that's going to be there on a permanent basis rather than just once a year. So yeah, really special to be a part of something like this. In terms of the repair work and everything we've had to do, obviously brand new bonnet, still had a few bits and pieces to do in that, but the other bits and pieces, it is a rally car at the end of the day, which has been used for the past 20 plus years. So yes, a lot of these panels and things get replaced over the years, but also a lot of them have had dings and various damage. Some recent, some not so much, but yeah, a lot of repair work going into this one at the moment, so that's why the deadline was just a little bit too tight. But yeah, in some ways a bit of a relief from that side of things. We would have got it done, but yeah, we've got a bit more time to work on this one now, and then like I said, it's going off to its permanent home in Korea, so that's actually really exciting for us. So yeah, we'll get this one done really nicely now, and we'll still see T8, the sister car, at Goodwood this year. Basically it looks the same, but it is the gravel car rather than the tarmac car, so it's all just jacked up. We'll get some footage of that, hopefully, if we make it to Goodwood this year ourselves. Just coming to the end of the week on this one then. Finally got some colour down on these two interior panels. Colour was matched on this one off the Spectra, and then we tinted it by eye ever so slightly as well, just to make it a bit more orangey, a bit more in line with what the colour on the spoiler was that we were given. Had Kayla come over to help with me as well, as you can see in the previous videos. She's done an absolutely fantastic job on these. It's the first time she's ever sprayed water-based, the first time she's used my gun setup. Yeah, so it's no easy task just giving someone a completely new setup and everything, and she's absolutely smashed these. So hopefully she'll come and help us out on a few more bits and pieces in the future as well, just to keep up with the deadlines and push some of these things through a little bit quicker for us. I'll drop her Instagram down below as well, or in the description, so you guys can give her a follow. But yeah, that's these ones done for now. I'll just take you next door as well to show you what's going on with the car. Let's go through there now quickly. So what we've done so far is just basically ground all the filler off and got back to bare metal on the wings, both front wings. We've done a lot of the repair work on the other various panels. We've had a different door altogether supplied for us. That's not bolted on or anything at the moment, so it's not in its correct position. But the original white one that we had with the car was just too badly damaged. It would have taken us a long time to get that into some sort of decent shape. So Graham has kindly provided us with this door, which is pretty much brand new in terms of the finish and everything. Obviously just needs the final rubbing down, get rid of the surface rust, but there is no damage in terms of dents or scrapes or scratches or anything like that. So just back to bare metal again on this one, and then do the normal prep and prime as per usual. Then we can start work on the rest of the shell and finishing off the panels. You'll see as well the Bristol has joined us again for a few more bits of welding work and everything that we've been doing on this one. Like I said, we've got several things on the go at once. Obviously we've got lots of deadlines as well, but we are working on several things at the same time, just to try and push things through as quickly as we possibly can, and yeah, keep the ball rolling on all of these. So yeah, I think that's where I'm going to leave you guys for this week's video. In any case, I know it's been a little bit all over the place in terms of various jobs shown and stuff, but yeah, hopefully more progress on these two in next week's video. Let's see if we can get ourselves back into some sort of routine as well. Yeah, go from there. But once again, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully catch you next time.